Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and then we'll test out my new mechanical keyboard by AULA. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I know more people probably use this for gaming, but I work from home, so this will just get a lot of usage here. Alright, so here's how it looks right out of the box. Oh, very nice. Check that out. All right, and then you get the cable for it. And you get extra switches right here. You get 4 of them, the tool to remove them, or replace them, I should say. And then the manual right there. One of the cool features that I wanted to point out about this mechanical keyboard is that you can do it either through Bluetooth, you can do it wirelessly, or you can do it hardwired. I'll probably, it's like I said, sometimes I use my desktop, sometimes I use my laptop, and we'll even probably try the iPad just to kind of see how it feels on all of them. So we'll probably try the iPad first, and then we'll go from there. Check that out. Very cool. I'll turn down the light a little bit just so you can see it better. But just so you know, all the keys are written right on the bottom part of it. So very, very cool. All right, so let's get it hooked up. All right, guys, so I went ahead and connected my iPad first just to kind of demonstrate the wireless feature of it. It was super easy to connect. All you have to do is hit the FN and 1 key for about 5 seconds, and it'll start to blink really quick. Puts it in pairing mode, hooked it to the iPad. I don't know, less than 3 minutes to get it all hooked up. So let's just see. We do test on there. So you can see even the clicking is really, really nice. I really enjoy mechanical keyboard. At the end, I'll kind of show you all the different light settings that it has on here. That's probably my favorite piece, but like I said, just like at first glance, it is really, really nice, really, really cool. So like I said, really, really responsive. I really like it. So then the other thing we could try out is just hardwiring it to my desktop here. This is probably where it'll live most of the time anyway. So let's go ahead and disconnect it from here. We'll do the Type-C on here to USB and then see, and I'll show you all the different light settings that it has on here. So far, I really, really like it. One thing that I also wanted to point out, it also has a side light right here. I'll turn off the light so you can kind of see it better. But like I said, so far so good. Really enjoying the keyboard. And this is what it looks like, where you can see actually all the letters and numbers. So I'll just start typing just so you can kind of hear it. I just hooked it up directly through the Type-C to USB. So we'll give it the old try here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light so you can see the other cool features that it has here as far as the RGB lights that it has on here. So let's go ahead and see those. All right, as I go through the different light settings on here, I'm just gonna go through another cool features that the keyboard also offers is I actually didn't need to disconnect it from my iPad. It actually allows you to connect all 3 different options at once, and it allows you to connect up to 5 devices at once as well. It offers over 16 million different backlight options. It does come with 16 presets built in, along with 10 cool music rhythm lighting effects. It also offers a 4,000 milliamp per hour battery, so you don't have to worry about the keyboard dying on you all the time. If you download the drivers, that's why you'll have more access to more customization on the actual keyboard. And the other cool thing is that all the keys can be customized, and all of the keys are hot swappable as well. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you're looking for a new keyboard, like I said, whether it's for home or it's for gaming, work from home, like how I'm going to be using it, definitely look into one of these. Like I said, you can't go bad with a mechanical keyboard. All the features that it come with are awesome. Like I said, whether it's through wireless or through the USB dongle that it keeps on here, you can adjust these as well. So if you like the keyboard flat, you can do so. If not, I usually do keep mine at an angle. But like I said, there's just so many cool features about it. So if you're looking for a new keyboard, definitely look into getting one of these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.